Good morning. Today we are waking up to nice conditions outside, waking up to some sunshine breaking through the clouds. Unfortunately, it's not going to last too long as the powerful storm system we've been talking about that's sweeping across the country makes its way right here into the heart of Illinois later on this evening. Here's what we're seeing right now downtown Peoria, a temperature of 34 degrees, so a bit of a cool start for us. You might want to have a jacket on, but don't forget the umbrella because it might look nice outside now, but it's going to be raining by the time you're heading home. Unfortunately, temperatures right now seeing 28 up in the Lakin area. Meanwhile, 33 in Galesburg, and it's 30 right now over in the Canton area. So here's our big storm system that we're watching right now. It's right now impacting areas of Denver, much of Nebraska, and northern parts of the Kansas area. This is going to continue to overspread the northern plains as it finally gets out of the Rockies. These low pressure centers, they tend to get stuck right there in the Rockies, but once it gets moving, it's going to impact a large portion of Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin with heavy snow and rain showers and even thunderstorms here at home. Let's talk about that. Again, there's the low pressure center. We're going to see it really start to wrap up and intensify as it makes its way into Missouri-Iowa border there, bringing a warm front over our area. Going to give us some rain showers as we go into the afternoon today, into the evening hours. We'll see a bit of a break before we see this cold front go ahead and kind of move on through the area, giving us some rain showers here, maybe even some thunderstorms around 1:30 this morning. Although the severe weather threat does look low, there is a chance we could see some gusty winds. But the big thing I want to point out here is just how much snow they're expecting across parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. If you're leaving early today to head into these areas, you'll want to make sure you take your time. This is going to impact not only the roads, but also the airports as well. Then we're going to see this system go ahead and make its way on off to the north. But as it makes its way into northern Wisconsin and Michigan, that's when this low pressure is really going to wrap up and intensify, bringing in strong westerly winds into the areas we head into our Wednesday morning. Pretty much all day tomorrow, we could see winds gusting to 50 miles per hour. Now for tonight, again, we have the chance to see maybe a few stronger storms, although I think most of this, we're going to lose a lot of the instability by the time it reaches us. But nonetheless, some could have some high winds and maybe some large hail. The big thing, though, we're going to be talking about tomorrow is going to be this high wind watch. Later today will likely be expanded into a high wind warning for us because we're going to see winds gusting to 50 miles per hour. That's going to cause issues if you're traveling north to south on any north to south oriented roads because winds are going to be coming out of the west, or also might cause a few power outages across the area as temperatures our wind speeds climb to 50 miles per hour, and that could take out a few power lines, especially in the more rural areas.
Ooh, gosh, hope that doesn't happen.
Mm-hmm.
All right, appreciate it, Joe.